Hello, yes, amazing, great. So I guess today I'm gonna stop the chat because there were people spamming some links and stuff. I don't want anyone to be hacked on somewhere on Telegram. So yeah, let me just chat. So it's gonna be a super quick live today. I'm gonna update on the trades that I told you about yesterday. So first of all, there was USD CAD. I told you about this area over here. Oh, I'm sorry. My trading view sometimes a bit dumb. So I was talking about this area to be broken, this high to be broken. That happened right here. But I took a trade on this area at 1.35 at round level because when round level was broken, I was like, oh yeah, it's going to be broken now. And I took a trade right here. It's just still running. Even though my stop loss is at the entry already, it's 10 pips in profit. It used to be almost 30 pips in profit. But yeah, it just went back to this broken high and retested it, waiting for the further growth, at least to this area, but perfectly to this area. So another trade that was USD Swiss franc, also broken. I was talking about this area, this high that was retested 2 times before. It couldn't create a lower high or lower low, so it just broke the high just as expected. And I didn't take trade right here because I missed this moment, but the price came back and I took a trade over here. And currently it's running as well, but I was a little bit dumb. I moved stop loss to the entry. I forgot that it might go back on the London session. That usually happens if life hack for you guys, if the price is coming back in the first half of the week, especially if the price on 1 hour time frame does something like this, it's 7 a.m. GMT usually when it happens, then there is a high probability the price is gonna go another way on the London opening, which happened, and my trade was stopped the entry, and I took another one. I will show you guys my trades running, leave account, and yeah. So I took another one. I had to do it because I don't want to miss the trade, but yeah, I was stopped over here. But okay, it happens. I'm trading Sway, as you can see. Highly recommended, by the way. Only one of the best brokerages, I would say. Another, I'm being asked a lot of times for brokerage to trade, and the second place goes to Pepperstone right now. But this is the first place, Sway market. I was talking about other trades yesterday. One of it is AUD USD. Here it is. I told you that it got stopped last week, right here in this area, but I was holding it through all the stop losses. I took stop loss right here, and I re-entered this trade without stop loss. And I was expecting if it doesn't reject this area, just goes back right here, goes not back, but just goes and breaks this 4 hour support resistance at this point level. I would just close trade manually, and it didn't happen. It didn't create new high, create lower high, and we can see the shift of structure. And I drew this line on the live yesterday, as you remember, and it's exactly where it's rejected and absolutely dropped straight away. So I'm holding this trade as well, currently in a good profit. So what else? I want it was there was USD, oh sorry, AUD CAD, also AUD CAD. I told you yesterday that it was running between supply demand areas and that it might go back, and this is exactly what happened. It went back, almost back to the supply demand area, and then dropped, and also it broke supply demand areas to the downside, and I'm expecting a drop right here. I'm also holding this trade quite a while already, since last week. Well, these are 4 trades that I'm holding right now. I haven't looked at other pairs, to be honest, because holding 4 trades at one time is more than enough. But I'm gonna just take a quick look. Maybe there's something else interesting. EURD is back to the trend line. I'm definitely not gonna take a look at this because high, low, high, 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 low, high. A little bit shift of structure here. No, definitely something not to look at. Basically, nothing interesting. I was looking for sales on JPY pairs, but you know it's kind of uncertain. Sorry. It was, so I didn't take any trades here. Same here. Oh, by the way, it just broke the trend line. The trend line that has been running since, oh yeah, there's a fake out here as well. It's a really very long time, yeah, since July. It's kind of just, history repeats itself. I usually don't remove trend lines, I just do like that. If I have a trend line running over here, I can just do like that, guys, and just see what happens. And it usually being retested one more time. But I don't know if there are people who are trading since at least like 2015, 2016, 2017, maybe nobody. But on the MetaTrader 4, I used to do analysis on the MetaTrader 4, and they were not trading view for me, at least. Some people were already using it. I wasn't. And there was a trend line, and you couldn't do it from this to that, right? You could do only like place like the line that goes like straight like that. I don't know who remembers, but yeah, it was like that. So I continue doing it in some kind of way. So probably, but I wouldn't sell here already. The structures, but I wouldn't sell at least until these lower lows broke into the downside. Then I would sell it to this level right here. But it's not too much, you know, not too many pips. It's around 40 pips or something like that. So can say that all eyes on Euro USD right now, but just a good idea. Let's see what's with GBP USD. I also retesting lower low. Also retesting it couldn't break it. Couldn't break it. Same here. I mean, it might go to the 4-hour support level, which is also, if it breaks to the downside, around only like 30 pips. But also a good chance to sell. 30 pips is gonna be hit definitely. The next take profit is here, but we will see, because you know, NFP week, you never know. Easy pair. So I'm just gonna be stick to this. I'm a bit upset that it was closed. And the break even. Oh, I need to take a decat here as well. Let's check. Because I have it on personal account, don't have it here. I'm gonna have the same. It doesn't mean that you need to take same trade, guys. I have this running from like this area. I already have like 30 pips in profit on another brokerage, but if you want to, you can join me. Stop those rounds. Let's say I'm not gonna lie. Purchase loss, it's almost not 10%, but okay. I'm risking a bit more than usual. And the take profit is definitely gonna be the 6. Well, I actually have this area on my take profit. 55. Let's say 55. That's definitely gonna be hit. Or maybe this area. Let's check what's in Fibos. I think I had it, but removed from the chart. So let's check the Fibos. Perfectly aligning. 23.6% broken. Yeah, yes. 3.2% here. Yeah, I have it here. But it might go back to the 50%. Golden eye. I see everything. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna open chat for some time, for a second. Just if you have any questions, ask it. I'm gonna open it. If you have any questions, I'm gonna be offline already in a couple of minutes. Yeah, it is. I shown it. Are you doing later? GBP cat. I'm gonna take a look. What type of account do you recommend for paper? So I have simple ECN account. I have it everywhere. GBPJPY, GBP cat. I'm gonna take a look. GBP cat. Okay. It's kind of definitely short trade. Hope you're having a short trade here. I mean, if I was taking a trade here on GBP cat, down a bit. So that. Let's say. Or like that. Also kind of strange, but okay, it broke the trend line and then back. I mean, this might be hit, but I mean, if it's broken, this lower low is broken, then it will go to this area right here. So if this area is broken, I wouldn't take any trades right now, but I would wait just for this area to be broken or not broken, and then we'll short it, or we'll short the trade. Or if it goes back up, I will do nothing because it's kind of in a short momentum. But the trend here and trend line here in general is bullish. So kind of controversial. I wouldn't even take a trade here, to be honest. But if you are in a trade, just this is a key level for you. Do you analyze also high time frame? Yeah, of course, one daily and a weekly. 1 hour is just for the entry. I just have it for the entry because I already know the setup that I found on a 4-hour time frame. And I just look for the entries right now. Probability of USD CAD. USD CAD is in profit. USD CAD is in profit. I gave it on Twitter, by the way, guys. If you don't follow me there, follow me. No more signals after this year. I'm gonna be launching something like a Discord, like I'm recording lessons right now. So it's gonna be the whole academy. I never had it in 10 years. I tried, never had it. The only thing I did is I recorded a course 2 years ago, but that was kind of a creepy situation right there with the course, so I stopped recording it. I recorded 16 lessons, and you can find it. It's super cheap. Or I decided to sell it this July only. So I'm a bad marketer, you know. I'm not doing it. I'm not selling anything. So I'm recording right now already for 2 months. It's gonna be, I believe, done by the January or February. They're gonna be a huge academy. A lot of lessons, a lot of like everything. And I'm gonna be doing it within this academy, but no seamless for sale, no. Not gonna be doing it. So yeah, GJ. I wanted to take a look at GJ and I'm back. But yeah, no new trades here, guys. It's just clearly it's short right now. It's in short right now. The general picture is kind of, it used to be bullish the whole last year, and this year it's shifted the structure from the middle of July. So it was like 2 weeks drop that, it, in 2 weeks it dropped more than, let's say, okay, let's check. Um, or even half of this year it was bullish. Half of this year it was bullish as well. It's a bit lagging. I'm gonna reload it. So yeah, GJ. Why is it lagging so much? Okay, it's it's absolutely lagging. Okay, it was let me check for our time frame. Okay, the idea is that it just dropped in 2 weeks. It's in like a very intensive drop that happened. It was, imagine a price going to this place for half of a year and it just drops in 2 weeks, right? So it's a crazy shift of structure. But now it's like it's uncertain. I would say it's in consolidation. I can't even say that, I'm trying to avoid GPY pairs right now. Because I was looking for this momentum right here, and I was fucked few times this year trying to sell this pair, and then it just drops in 2 weeks. But I caught this drop just not on GPP JPY on another pair, but right now it's consolidation. It's a clear consolidation, like something like like this setup. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, let's do it like that. So something like this. Damn, trading will be really lagging today. I'm not sure why. So something like this happened. This actually, damn. Okay, let's say like that. Usually this is a reversal. Like in some kind of way, it might be a reversal pattern. It might be a continuation trend pattern. This one, and we just see where it's been broken. It was broken to the upside, and then it's back to this setup. It might be broken to the downside right now, so it's kind of, it's very risky to trade JPY pairs if you just don't scalp. But I don't scalp, so I hate scalping. I don't have time for scalping. So I prefer to leave the trade and just watch it. Like here, I can watch the trade for weeks, and so I've been holding this one since 23rd August, 24th August, and the whole week, the whole last week. Maybe if no more aim for. Well, normally I would say something between 50 and 150 pips, but you never know. Market shitty right now. Yeah, last week it was a bit shitty because on Thursday market immediately started to reverse. I don't know if you're watching the Alex challenge. I'm watching it right now because he's traded. He's a good trader, and I love seeing other people being successful, like other people succeed, and even him had this stop out at the entry. I had stop losses, two stop losses hit last week. I'm just watching his stories and it's really good what he's doing. Other traders doing too. I was watching. I'm always watching stories of my friends. I removed all the people that don't want to see on Instagram. All left my friends in my following list. And what I saw, yeah, last week, everyone was posting losses, and I messaged my friends and said like crazy. This week is crazy shitty. Uh, the strange thing about this year in trading, this year is really strange. I'm gonna be honest. Like last year, I had the most successful months in my trading career ever, ever. I never made seven figures in one trade, and I did it last year. Like it was crazy. It was end of last year, and I did it. And this year, I can catch only like 50 pips trades. It's insane. And or then I lost my thought. Yeah, should have taken. But he did a good thing that was he was holding. I would hold too, honestly, because when you do a challenge, you aim for the profit, right? And I would rather move stop loss with the entry and let the price fuck you up one time than miss the possible opportunity, the possible take profit. Yeah, every day I have a big challenge for myself, guys. So thank you for the participation. Thank you for watching. Hopefully it's useful for you. No, not like every day. I'm gonna be doing every day for a couple of weeks, and I'm gonna be doing it on Signal's channel for a couple of weeks. Yeah.